I've learned to accept as a man, I am only loved if I'm useful. I've learned to accept when someone calls me, it's because they need something. They're not asking if they can help me. I've learned to accept as a man, the love for me is conditional. As a man, I've learned to accept not a single person who tried to break me was a stranger. I've learned to accept dad is always the bad guy. I've learned to accept if I am not useful, I am not wanted. What are some of the hardest truths you've learned to accept as a man? And leave that shit down in the comments.